It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So in today's video, we finna be doing the old school. We gonna do it the old school way today, no cap. We gonna be welding a diff, no cap. We gonna do this for anybody who really this your first time ever doing it, your first time ever welding. Cause guess what? It's my first time too. So if some fuck up, y'all finna see it. And no cap, we finna get straight into it. I'm finna put this ring into my charger, and I attempted to do like a little LSD swap on it. And I ain't gonna lie, I failed. Y'all probably saw the video already. So today we're gonna take the one out my parts card, and we're gonna be welding diff in that one. And surprisingly, I already got it out. So we're gonna go ahead and make this video a little bit shorter than it's supposed to be. So yeah, we already got the diff out on the ground, right there. I've already brake cleaned it. It probably still got a little bit of oil, but we probably gonna burn off though. So yeah, we got all that, and we finna weld it. And that's all that's really to it, no cap. So look, I'm finna turn the camera around and show y'all what we getting into. Alright, so as y'all see, I already got the diff off, got the diff cover off, and we gonna do it the plated method. So as y'all see, I already got me a little piece of metal that's cut out. Really it's a little short, but it'll do good enough, you know what I'm saying? I still have to fit it in there. We're gonna move this to about the middle, and then really all we're gonna do is we're gonna get, let me scoot the camera back, we're gonna get into these corners like right here, back there to these four corners, weld across the edge. And I've been looking at it, and we might weld it to the case too, like right there and around this edge. I don't know if that's really the best way, but as I spin around, I'm seeing that, yeah, it kind of moves with that too, but it really don't move with the axles. So yeah, I'm just gonna weld all that together. And so get straight into it, no cap. So I'm finna set the camera up, and y'all finna see me get to weld. Alright y'all, so here go my first little go around at it with the plate. I ain't gonna lie, ain't shit breaking that. I tried to weld that big together, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, as you see, they both move together as one piece. Right now I gotta replace this because I ran out, but I figured I would. But yeah though, that's that. Damn, fuck the camera. But yeah though, that's that. I'm gonna replace this. First we take this off. We want to do this hard out. Spring, plate off, like this. The new one. I always go down. I need to get a Chicago electric bag. Think that you're supposed to put these on is, you see you got like this part right here. You want to do it to where like this saying on here, you turn this way, so you want it to pull as it's coming out this way. So I always put it to make it upside down. You take the sticker off. Hold on, you gotta hold this. Now I gotta tighten this up. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I do that. Yep, and then once you put that in, you tighten this up a little bit. Yeah, boom, come out, no cap. So we finna get back to Weld, do this a little bit more, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I do to the next side too. All right, y'all. So I use my template. I got a piece of cardboard that made me another piece of metal go in between. Now, once again, all I gotta do is weld that all together, and then I'll be able to clean this up and put the top back on and put it back in. That kind, no cap. So we can get back into it, and then I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like when I'm finished. What it do, YouTube? As y'all see, it's a whole nother day. It's kind of late, no cap, and the reason that is because, bro, you will never guess what I done did, bro. I dropped the axle on my whole phone, bro, and I couldn't even use it. I couldn't record. I couldn't do none of that. So I went ahead and finished up the little install of the Welded Diff or whatever. I'm gonna turn the camera around, let y'all see. I got the car still up in the air. I'm finna let y'all see that both tires are spinning, and we gonna do a little compilation. Go ahead in the video. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all want to see next on Gang. Look.